Hello everyone, welcome back to Automation Engineer channel. Today I will continue with the part 2 of the SCADA design with the TIA Portal. In this part, I will show you how to connect the PLC tag to the SCADA. First of all, I will show you the program. This is the program to control the milk flavor mixing system. We have three things here. We have the weight scale thing here and the valve between, and this is the mixer with agitator and the level sensor. After mixing, the mixing liquor will be transferred to the pasteurizing machine by this pump. And after that, the liquor will transfer the feed hopper of the filling machine, and the filling machine will run to fill the milk to the portal. And this is the control panel and the recipe parameter here. The MES, the POM panel here. Okay, we come to the PLC program. This is the basic program. Okay. First of all, we will start the filling to the weight scale tank. After that, this is the complete filling to weight scale tank. Start filling to the mixer. Complete filling to the mixer. Start mixing. Complete mixing. And start to filling pasteurizing machine. Complete the filling to pasteurizing machine here. Start pasteurizing. Complete pasteurizing. Start filling to filling machine. After 5 seconds, we're ready to fill to the bottle. And the final, we will run the filler until the level of the feed tank under 0.5 liter. And I also create 3 data blocks here. The first, this is the data block for device, include the valve, the weight scale, the level sensor, the agitator, the pump here. Because in this application, I don't connect the I/O to directly the device on site, so I will use the tag in the DB here. And the second block is the recipe parameter. We will have parameter here. We selected the flavor, the milk volume, the flavor volume, the mixing time, the pasteurizing time, the pasteurizing temperature, the filling speed here. And the third one is SCADA. This is 3 control tag for the auto on. This means if this bit set to 1, it means the process will run automatically. And start stop you for manual. So we will come back to the screen here. Okay. Now I will show you how to connect the one big PLC tag to the SCADA. Okay. For example, this file. We come here. We come to property here. Come to the event here. Normally, when we design the system SCADA, when we press the valve, one pop-up will appear and will let you select the open or stop on that pop-up. But in this application, I will set in for quick operation. When I click on this valve will open, and this valve will ring on the SCADA. And when I double click on this valve will close and back to the brown color here. Okay, let's go. Double click here to come to properties. Click. We select the function. We can here edit bit, set bit, and wait for it. Set bit. Okay. We will select the bit symbol here. Okay. For the double click in the function, we can tie directly here. Reset. Okay. Reset. Okay. And this day we link the PLC tag for the action. We come to the animation tab here. Okay, for display we add new animation. We select appearance. Firstly, we will select the PLC tag here. Program block, divide here, and we add new. When the valve open status, the valve will transfer to the color green. It means the big will set to 1. The foreground color will green here. But one note: if we just set it like this, the color of the valve on the SCADA will not change the color. We need to come to property. Okay, here. We come to property here. Select appearance. We need to change the fill style to set it here. Not it. Because when we start the project, the fill style here will be original here. But we need to change to the separate. Okay. Okay, now I will save project. Okay. And I will runtime. Start runtime on the PC. Okay. So we have this file. We click, unclick, and wait for it. No, not yet. So we come back. We need to online the PLC here. The PLC here. We go online. Okay, come to the file, monitor, and this is the big. We connect to the valve. Click, click, click. You can see the valve is green. Okay. Okay, and let I check. We come back to a green here. Double click here. Event. Click. Let's check one more time. We select click here and double click reset. We come back to check the PLC program of P1. Yes, because the PLC program here, we need two more conditions to set it to 1. So when we click, this bit will automatically reset. Okay, I will fault in the PLC. I will double click here to change the status to true. Copy. Something wrong. No, sorry, I changed the wrong bit here. This cannot because it's already in the program. Okay, I will show you I will create one more bit here. Insert rail. For example, round 1111. Okay, download. I will create the new bit and connect to the object on the SCADA. Load. It's okay now. Come to the screen 1. Double click here. Device here. I will reselect device here. Okay. Click. Double click. Change animation. Okay. Save project and go runtime. Okay, we click. Wait for it. Click. Okay, you see, when we click one time, the valve is green. We come back to the PLC to see the status of the tech here. You can see true. We come to the runtime here. We double click. It feels closed. We come to the here 4. Okay, now I will modify. I will fault in the PLC program, and we see the result on the SCADA. I double click here, the status will transfer the true. We come to SCADA. It's green now. I come back to the PLC program here. I double click here to change to full status. We come to the SCADA here. so it back to close. Okay, so it's done for the valve. I will the next object, I will let the tank here, the material tank and the weight scale tank here. When we open this valve, the tank here and here, we auto change the color to green to show the tank in selecting. We come back to the design, screen one. Okay, we double click here to go to the properties, display with S appearance. We select the text here, and we do the same with the valve. The foreground color we select green. Okay, the piping here the same. No, select the piping. Property, as new animation, the tag here. Okay. Oh, I forgot to change the fill style. You can see, as first time the fill style will be original. We need to change to accept it and select here. Okay, we do the same with the piping. Accept. Okay. Okay. And the weight scale tank property. Accept it. Ground animation and new appearance. Take here. One. Green. Check the piping one more time. Appearance. Oh, appearance. Forgot. Okay. Visual project. Download to the device. Hey, sorry. We runtime. Okay, so we on the valve here. We need to wait a little bit when we start the runtime. Okay. So when we open the valve here, the mill tank, material mill, and the weight scale mill will also green to show us the tank, which tank is dosing. We off here. We double click on OK. So it's done for the valve, the tank. We do the same with the remain valve here, agitator here, pump, anything. Now I will come to the button, this button. Come back to design. Yeah, this button. You go to the property here, general. We will link to the tab. If we go to program blocks, SCADA, automod. Okay, keep the same. Okay, so it's done for setting for this button. It's a project. Runtime. Okay, this we put here to change to the R2. We come back to the PLC program, SCADA here, monitor. You can see auto on is true. It means process is in the automatic mode. Come back to SCADA. We change back to the manual. We come back to PLC. You can see the 4 here. So it's done for the mode button. The same with the start stop button. I will go next with the selection blank here, flavor. Come to design, screen 1. We select with double click here. The general, I will select the tag here. Recipe parameter selected, flavor. Okay. And the content here. Firstly, I will go to the here to setting the text list, text and graphic list. Here the text list 1, US new one value 1 means we have two flavor in this application here. Strawberry and chocolate. The first one, strawberry. Yes. The value 2 is chocolate. You close it and we come back to the property here. Okay, we select the text list 1 here. You can see strawberry and chocolate. Okay, we save project. We go to runtime. Here we have the. Okay, I will extend this to see the full text. Come back to design. Okay, save project, runtime. Okay, flavor, strawberry or chocolate. Strawberry here. You remember strawberry is value 1 and the chocolate is value 2. So it means now the text selected flavor in the PLC must be 1. We come back to the PLC, recipe parameter here, monitor. You can see number 1 here. We come back and select the chocolate. The PLC text must be 2. Okay. So it's done for this object. Next, I will go to this object, the text input and output. Come to design here, screen 1. This text will show the mule volume, or we can, the operator can input the mule volume here on the SCADA. Double click here. General, I will input the mule volume text here. And this is the format pattern. I will select 4 degree. Okay. We will save project. Runtime. We can push here, for example, 500 kg. 500 kg. Okay, so we come back to the PLC, recipe parameter. You can see mule volume 500. Okay, I will do 110. For example, 1000 kg. Come to the PLC, 1000. Or we can modify on the PLC. 900. Okay. The SCADA will show exactly the value on the PLC. So this is done for part 2. How to connect the PLC tag to the SCADA. If you have any question, you can post on the command box below of this video. Thanks for your watching. See you in the next video.